I got a new TSG, yeah. Well, hello, guys. We got a new helmet in the box, and we are in the new studio, as you can see. This is the new Electric Life Studios. We'll be doing a lot of unboxing and everything electric vehicle related. Live show coming up, and might change the paint a little bit, and we'll go through some working pains. This is the old studio, my old music room, hobby room. So at one point I'll aim the cameras a little higher and show you what all this stuff is. Right now, let's get to this bad boy. This is the full face helmet I never had, the TSG Pass. This is what all the cool kids in Basegate have. I resisted because, you know, I don't like to be part of that. And then you're like, you know what? I need a full face helmet. So the right color came up. I put the money down. As you guys know, it's a lot of money. And we'll go from here. So let me bring this down here. All right, guys. That's what it looks like. Includes 2 visors. Very cool. Very cool. You don't know, I do have about 15 helmets, and this will be the perfect ending thing that I need to basically have every kind of helmet that I can compare. It'll be cool. I got a lot of comments on it that I want to share. So, all right, guys, let's open this up. I'm gonna come from the view, looking down here. This is like the moment of truth, you know? It's like, wow. It's like a little beam of orange, Wow. No wonder all the cool kids like it. It's super light, and that's key. I bet you can hear well too. That's my biggest thing with helmets. What can you hear? I love the smell of plastic. Ay, ay, ay. Let's get the wide angle shot on that. Man, this is really cool. Definitely sucks. They got the old school strap it in. That's the go-to. That's pretty much everyone uses. Just break that thing. Let's get this helmet tested here. That is the key, right? This thing better fit. My hair is crazy. Don't judge me by my hair. I saw my video from Apple Valley and it had all this stuff, and I was like, I'm gonna start cutting my own hair. So I got the sides down, and I'll learn how to do the middle here. Anyways, moment of truth, guys. Let's see. Oh, wow. Hello. Hello. Wow. Interesting. That's the biggest thing, guys, on the fake ones. Like this, I got a plastic piece that you put there. Same with the other ones. And it's not really a true full face. So this thing is, you know, molded in here. So it's not just gonna break on impact. It should hold up like the rest of the helmet. Love it. The tint's pretty good. It's not too dark. So you don't have to change, I don't think I need to change the clear out. I love it. I love the lightness. That's the thing, guys. When you first get a helmet and you buy the motorcycle helmet, it weighs too much. And you're like, oh, I'm protected. And you got peripheral. You can actually see. Most of those are gonna give you like blocked off. And then you can't look down. And like when you skateboard or do something like that and you're new and you can't see your feet, you're not gonna, the helmet will cause you to wreck. So this is great right here. This is why people like the helmet, is so they can see. And that's why you pay the big money. If this was my pinky, I wouldn't really care, but since it's my brain and everything that takes care of me, gotta take care of it. This is cool. Totally stoked. Wow, easy off too. Not too bad. It's definitely mutes. It takes some noise away, so you can't hear everything. Stoked. I am stoked. So, do you see? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll get the cameras right, guys, pretty soon. But there's 4 corners here, and that's where all the helmets are gonna go. And then we're gonna slowly build the studio in. But anyways, this is the TSG unboxing. Pass. Sick. Feels quality. Looks quality. Feels great on the head. I'm a 7 3/8, so I had to go with the large. So that's my experience. You guys saw me put it right on. It's a perfect fit for my head. Usually I'm a medium size, so I went up to the large. Right on, guys. Hopefully in the next few videos you'll see me rocking this thing. Yeah, baby. Coolio. How's that look? Rock and roll. Boom.